welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a day in the life today, so I'm going to take you around with me and show you what a normal day for me looks like. I've already got up and got dressed, so I chose this last night. I've got you might have seen this when I was buying it the other week. I really love it. It makes me feel a little bit sexy. So I've got my jumper on and just a pair of jeans, and I'm not really one for socks, don't like socks. And William is awake as well. Gonna say good morning. There he is. B. So the girls are still asleep. I'm gonna go and wake them up now so they can have their breakfast. Good morning. Where's my Lils? Where are ya? Where are ya? There. Right, ready? Up you get. You can go downstairs. There's not many of these there. What else do you want?
If you like Tom and Actually Live, you'll love Utopia. Out now on Nintendo 3DS and 2DS. Myself into this mess, so now I'm gonna get myself out.
Playing cards. You playing cards? Did shoe?
Oh, that's cute. Look at you! I love it! Yeah! Hello.
When I go back to bed, I'm gonna get food. There you're through.
Back from the school run, baby is asleep, there he is. So I'm gonna get on with some housework before doing a bit of work. Today is Wednesday, which means 15 minutes zone cleaning, and this week's zones are the children's bedroom, the bathroom, and the garage conversion. So I will do a little bit of that, and I also need to clean the fridge. A menu plan I'm going to do this evening. That is so much better. So if you watched my video, was it last week? I asked you a question and I asked whether you would be interested in joining a Facebook group. So hopefully you were interested and you popped over. If you saw the link, I've put the link in the video. I'll put it in the description box down below so that you can request to join. So if you are already in the group, you will be waiting for me to share my outfits that I'm going to put together for tomorrow and the next day. So, oh, I'm out of breath. Oh my God, I've just climbed the stairs. I'm so unfit. So what I do is every evening before bed, and you'll see me, well, you won't see me do it tonight because I'm going to do it now for the purpose of the people in the group. But every night before bed, I choose what I'm going to wear for the next day so that I don't panic and throw on something horrendous or lazy, basically, so that every day I can look and feel more put together. So I am about to show the people in my group what I am going to wear tomorrow and for Friday. So you get to see me talking to them and putting the outfits together as well at the same time. So you will get to see that and see what I choose. I think tomorrow will probably be a trousers day, and I'm thinking I'm going to wear my cream like jean chino things that are from Next. These. Which I never do any ironing, so they're all crinkly. That is one thing. One of my favourites, because the back has got this, so I'm going to pair it with that. So that's it. Easy peasy. It only took me 2 seconds, but if I was rushing in the morning, I probably would have just reached for, look what is going on with my hair, oh my god, with some leggings and like a sweat top or something. And that's that. Something I'm really bad with, or have been up until recently, is snacking, and bad snacking as well. But I don't know if you noticed when I was cleaning out the fridge, I've got loads of Muller Corners, and I have them twice a day. So I'll have a morning snack, so now, and then I'll have another yogurt just before bed. And then I also got loads of these like breakfast drinks, and I'll have that as an afternoon snack rather than a breakfast one. And it just means that I have a snack, but because I know that they're there in the fridge, I'm not reaching for a biscuit or a bag of crisps or sending Mr. F down to the shop to go and get me tubs of Pringles that I'll just eat. So there's something there for me to have if I'm feeling peckish, and I am feeling peckish, so I'm gonna have a yogurt. He's woken up. He's learnt how to point, so everything's all about pointing now, isn't it? Oh, hi! Yeah, so he's woken up and it is nearly time to go out and get Lils. Oh. 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 You want this one again? We have come out for lunch. We are meeting up with my sister-in-law, so we've come to Wetherspoons. Should we draw a picture? Smiley face. You want more? You want more? Great, they do that. On our way back from town now, and I need to go and post a parcel, so I'm going to nip to the car because I left the parcel behind, and go and get the parcel, then go to the post office, and there she is, and then it'll be time to get Grace. Does anyone else get a real sense of deja vu? I feel like all I ever do is drive up and down this road. It's the road that I park on to pick up the girls, and I'm just backwards and forwards, and I just think, oh, all I ever do is turn around in the turning circle. I feel like that's all I ever do with my days, is just turn around and around in there. It's driving me nuts. We're only 2 weeks in. William. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, William. Uh-oh.
Dad says he's to get jackets back to Brighton. So I do.
The last few weeks I've been meal planning, and it has been so much better to be able to look at my meal plan in the morning and to know whether I need to get anything out. Let me show you my meal plan. I picked this up, I think it was in Tesco's. Yeah, I'm sure it was Tesco's, not Sainsbury's. And it's just really handy because it's got all the meal plans, but it's got a shopping list, so I can, I mean, like we're having roast dinner on Sunday, but I don't want to buy it yet, so I've just put it there ready to buy. So today is sticky pork. Oh, they're making so much noise. Today is sticky pork. I am going to use my pressure cooker for my sticky pork, which I've already put everything in because I forgot to film it. But basically it's pork pieces, and I've got onion in there, corn flour, passata, tomato paste. It's meant to have Coca-Cola in it, but I put lemonade in it instead because I didn't have any Coke. And some apple juice, and again didn't have any apple juice, so I put some Schlur in, so God knows what it's going to taste like. And I think that's it, but there is going to be a recipe on the blog today or tomorrow anyway. And so yeah, we will see how it turns out, but it does go to sort of like a sticky glaze, which is really nice with rice. Who's that baby? Baby. The moment of truth. Ooh.
What are you up to, you cheeky little man?
Oh, that looks good. Smells good.
Boys, AJ, what are you guys doing?
What did you do in French club today?
I learned how to sing.
But she doesn't remember the words. So she didn't learn anything.
I remember Tet and PA. Tet is head and PA is toes.
I'm going to leave it there because I am going to go and edit this now and hopefully get it up as soon as possible. Oh my God. I was meant to do yesterday's a day in life, but forgot. So I've done today instead, and I'm going to do an evening routine vlog another time. But that's it for today. I will see you again soon. Bye bye.